Welcome to Ideas and Trends. Today we are going to discuss the 11 jeans made in USA. Only a handful of jeans factories remain in the USA. This list hopes to bring awareness to the brands and people who have committed to the hard work of making jeans in America. This list is managed by Todd Shelton, an American-made jeans manufacturer with a factory in New Jersey. The brands on this list own their jean factory and an online store where you can buy their jeans. Although these jeans make their jeans in the USA, they may use imported denim. Look to each brand's product pages for the denim origin. If you want to suggest a brand to be added to this list, you can make a comment in the comment section. The big three, Levi's, Wrangler, and Lee, no longer make jeans in America. A few years ago, Levi's and Wrangler sold a made-in-USA jeans for over $200, but a recent search shows both have been disconnected or discontinued. Even well-known brands like AG Jeans and Lucky, which still have a reputation for USA-made jeans, no longer make jeans here. People looking to buy American-made jeans will need to be willing to get familiar with a new brand because there are no more household names making jeans in America. For many readers who want to buy made-in-America jeans, adjusting to the high prices will be a challenge. Keep in mind, Levi's and Wrangler sold made-in-USA jeans a few years ago and were priced at $250 and $275 respectively. Neither brand is known for high prices, but either did the math of what their American-made jean should cost, and both came up with a similar number. The prices are higher because American labor and overhead are higher, and the scale that can reduce cost is no longer available for American factories. The 11 brands are the only brands we are aware of that make exclusively in their own USA factory. If we missed a brand, you can tell us in the comment section. Number 1. Todd Shelton. Todd Shelton uses standard and custom fit options to help men find their best fitting jean. The company cuts, sews, and ships each jean from its East Rutherford NJ factory from imported denim available in salvage and non-salvage denim. Number 2. Raleigh Denim Workshop. Denim brand founded in Raleigh, NC designs and produces their jeans in the brand's downtown Raleigh workshop. Made in USA men's and women's jeans available online and in specialty stores throughout the US. Number 3. Shocke Atelier. Shocke Atelier's workshop is located in downtown Richmond, VA. The brand makes a line of classic American-made jeans in an old cinder block box of a building at the doorstep of the American South. Shocke Atelier offers a free lifetime repair guarantee on all jeans for rips, tears, and blowouts. Number 4. Railcar Fine Goods. Railcar Fine Goods is located in Monrovia, CA. The company uses a small team of sewers to make its American-made jeans with the highest quality raw materials available to stand the time. Every stage of manufacturing takes place in-house at the brand's workshop. Number 5. Dearborn Denim. Dearborn Denim cuts and crafts their jeans in the brand's Chicago factory. Dearborn's blue denim jean is a 9.5 ounces stretch denim. Number 6. Roundhouse Jean. Roundhouse make American-made jeans in Shawnee, OK. Founded in 1903, Roundhouse is the largest and oldest manufacturer in Oklahoma. Roundhouse sells its made-in-USA jeans online. Number 7. L.C. King Manufacturing Company. The oldest continuously operating family-owned cut and sew jean factory in the United States. L.C. King makes American-made jeans and has a factory store. Number 8. Detroit Denim Company. Established in 2010, Detroit Denim Company's mission is to create high-quality American-made men's and women's jeans in their Detroit factory. The brand sources all denim and manufacturing materials from U.S. companies and hand-make its jeans and apparel in Detroit. Number 9. Glenn's Denim. Glenn create a collection of jeans and other workwear staples that are automatically American designed and manufactured in the United States in Glenn's own workshop. Texas Jeans. Texas Jeans is a division of folk apparel which makes fatigues for the US military. Texas Jeans price their American-made jeans competitively, promoted on their website as only $1 to $2 more expensive than that you are going to find in Walmart. Blue Delta. Blue Delta Jeans is a custom pant maker based in the USA. Every pant is made one of one using your unique measurements tuned by hand in Tupelo, Mississippi. People who care about made in USA jeans not only care where the jeans are made, they care about the values behind the brands that make them. Owning and operating jean factory in the USA requires a commitment to people, physical labor, machines, and craft. This list spotlights the brands and people who have fully committed to the hard work of making jeans in America by operating a factory. There are other brands that are also committed to making jeans in the USA, and they use third-party factories in Los Angeles, San Francisco, and El Paso. We list them also in this video. These brands are All American Clothing Company, All USA Clothing, American Giant, Bullet Blues, Bridge and Bureau, Brave Star, Diamond Gusset, Free Note Clothing, Genu, Gustin, Imogen and Willie, Origin Maine, Rogue Territory, Teleson, 316. Levi Strauss and Jacob Davis were granted a U.S. patent to add rivets to men's work pants, creating the first made in USA jean in 1873. Nearly 150 years later, jeans have evolved from their workwear roots to an everyday American clothing essential. Todd Shelton is men's clothing brand based in New Jersey. So, this is the awareness video for the people who are interested to know the brands of jeans made in USA. Hope you have find this video very helpful for choosing a brand for your upcoming shopping of jeans. Show some interaction by liking this video and sharing it also. Thank you.